Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Chronos and confirming it's version 1. 4 or newer, this ensures feature parity. Next, create a focus profile and set a clear duration, allowed apps, and priority contacts. This defines boundaries. Once done, enable Do Not Disturb integration and pick auto start triggers such as calendar events. Make sure microphone and screen permissions are granted so timing and interruptions are tracked accurately. This prevents silent failures and gets you into a productive session immediately. Once your profile exists, dig into deep controls to shape behavior. You should set app timers and block lists and choose gentle alert modes, 0. 5x for quieter nudges or 1x for full prompts, so interruptions match your tolerance. Then adjust Pomodoro cycles and long break rules and enable activity-based extensions when you need extra focus time. Make sure to link calendar, your task manager, and any wearable sensors. This creates context-aware rules that automatically adapt focus windows based on real-world events. You finish by running a quick test session to confirm notifications, timers, and auto-release behave as expected. Once complete, review session logs to spot false positives or missed blocks and adjust thresholds accordingly. This refines accuracy. If things go wrong, first reboot the app and reauthorize permissions, then check for system-level blockers like battery savers. This resolves most problems. If persistent, reset the focus profile and recreate only the essential rules to isolate the faulty setting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.